Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Bosch WFF1401 washing machine. Quite a good model, I reckon. I'm going to show you how to clean the lint filter today. So down here on the bottom we've got this little panel, and I'm going to use a flat bladed screwdriver or a kitchen knife to open up these little tabs, quarter turn, and then just pop in the top with the blade and it should come out. Then in here, the filter's over here, and in under this little shelf is a little black hose. So let's take that out and pull that plug out, and that will drain off all the water. And if you had something like baking tray or something like that flat and low, that would catch all that water as it comes out if you were doing this in your kitchen or in your utility room. So to speed things up a bit, because I'm outdoors, I can just go straight to the filter plug, and it's over here. Sometimes these plugs can be quite stiff, so if you struggle to get it out, have a look at my other video, because sometimes things can get stuck in them. I have another video on fixing a stuck filter plug, and that's the filter there. It's not much to it. It just catches anything that won't fit through that little hole there. If we take a close-up look, there isn't much to it really. It's a little impeller blade in the back. You can check that it spins around freely. So then to finish up, just line up the slot on the top or the bottom, screw it back in, good and tight, put the pin back into the hose and tuck it in and fit the cover back on and tighten up those little plugs. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you later. If you like this video, I've got loads of other videos about how to clean other filters on other Bosch washing machines and other makes of washing machine as well. They're all pretty similar, so find one that's like yours. It'll probably be the same. Alright, see you later.